Look at this healthy and delicious sweet potato dish. You are going to love this. My mom absolutely loved this for breakfast. I discovered this recipe and I'm going to share with all of you. Hi everyone, welcome to another food vlog. A little break from our usual travel vlogs lately. So today I am sharing with you my own discovery, my own recipe. It's a sweet potato and coconut omelet. It is a huge hit with my family, especially my mom. 2 thumbs up from mom. I am sharing with all of you, and hopefully this is another option for your breakfast recipes. It's healthy, easy to make, and most importantly, it's delicious. So let's start. As usual, I added the recipe down in the description box for easy reference. So only 3 ingredients. We need 2 sweet potatoes, peeled, and then cut into 4 or 5 pieces each. And then we have 2 eggs and honey. That's all we need for this recipe. Very easy to make. First, boil your sweet potatoes. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes if you cut them this big. Of course, if you don't cut them in smaller pieces, it will take longer. You will know when they're done when it's tender, first with a fork. When the sweet potatoes are cooked, transfer to a bowl and mash your sweet potatoes. Mash the sweet potatoes to your desired consistency. Just make sure that there's no more big pieces, and it's not nice to cook this recipe when there's still big pieces of sweet potatoes. I don't use any fancy equipment to mash my potatoes, just a regular fork, it does the job. As soon as you achieve the desired consistency of your sweet potatoes, just add the eggs and also the honey, and then mix it well. Just make sure not to overmix. After mixing, in a frying pan or a skillet, add coconut oil and let it melt in medium heat. The coconut oil adds a different kind of flavor to this recipe. And because I'm also adding coconut flakes later for garnishing, the mixture of the oil and the coconut flakes really brought out the deliciousness of this recipe. It's almost savory. When the coconut is all melted and it's hot, you can add the sweet potato mixture into the pan and just make sure to level it and all fit into the pan, nice and the same kind of level or height. As soon as it's kind of even and fits well in the frying pan, then you can cover and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can tell when it's ready to be flipped. The other side, when you check the edges and it's kind of more formed and brownish color a little bit. So here we go. This is how it looks. And I take another plate to flip the sweet potato so I can cook the other side. And slowly put it back to the pan. It's not easy. It's the first time I made this. So here we go. Look how nice and brown. And then you kind of just push it down a little bit to a nice form, round form, and even again. And then cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. 7 minutes max until it's nice and crispy on the edges. Oh, it smells good. And then I add the coconut flakes on top. And that is it. That is my sweet potato coconut omelet. This is the finished product. You are going to love this. It's addicting actually. It's the combination of the sweet potato with the honey, and then the coconut oil has something to do with it too. And with the coconut flakes, it is a winner. Like I said, 2 thumbs up from my mom. And can you keep a secret? I actually ate half of these. Imagine that. It was so good. Really, really good, I have to say. One of the best breakfasts I ever had. So I am hoping you'll try this, and please let me know in the comment section if these meet your expectations. This is now one of my family's favorite breakfast dish. Thank you all for watching. Happy cooking, happy eating, and take care of yourself and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care everybody. Bye-bye.